Okay, hi with another video, and here's how to make a double-sided roller coaster car with restraints that go up. Same with this one. Anyway, here's how to make it. Let me just take it apart. I'm not gonna fully take it apart because it actually takes a long time to build this, and I wanted to get this done in a hurry. Yes, it's almost 12 o'clock. And today, here's how we build it. Just look at the parts that I show you. Okay, these, you're gonna need two of these. Here's how to make them. You take 4 of the triangle pieces, yellow triangle pieces. I'm using the small knex micro. And you take 2 grays, put them on each, well, 2 of them, like you can see here. And then put 2 black parts. If you have a different color, that's fine. And connect those two together and make 2 of those. Then you'll end up something that looks like this, but remember, keep that part and that part apart so you can put it on your car. You take my Lego guys out, then I'll show you how to. There's actually two different cars. There's the one on this side, which is the back car. You take 2 purple parts that have only 2 connector parts on it, kind of like these. And let me show you what they look like quick. You need to rip this one off. They look like this. You take 4 of those, put them on a gray piece. Take another, place it on a circular piece without one, right here. And then take another gray piece, slide it through so you only have this. Pause the video if you want to make it. And make 2 of those, except on the other one, we'll actually make one of these ones. You can pause it. And then take 2 of these things that I already showed you. Mine are purple, you might have other colors. And except this time for the chair part, take one of those ones like this and put them on for like the other one. And then you should turn out with something like this. Pause the video if you want to make it. And then take your 2 cars. Oh, almost dropped it. Take your 2 cars, if I can get this right, and connect them. You'll probably hear them snap. Mine don't snap that well since they're really old. And you should have something that looks like this. Pause the video on this one if you want. Pause this video on this one if you want. And then it should be able to look like this. Then the things you made earlier, these, put them on. If any of you been on Steel Venom, you could make them like that. Holy crap. Anyway, then you should have something that turns out like this. And then take your other one, wherever it is. Oh, wrong way. Sorry about that. Then put it on. And you move the mouse before it blacks out. And then you should have a car that looks like this. Then if you have any Lego guys, I just customized these two today. Customized this guy from the Galaxy Squad pants, Galaxy Squad arms, Galaxy Squad head, and a mechanic body. I just turned it around so you would have a plain blue t-shirt. Put this guy that you like but messed at best. Sorry about that. Can't talk right now. Anyway, put it in the car with the round part, like that. With the round part on the seat. Slide him in, and then if you want it to stay up by itself, just press these down. Always works. Then take your guy that you like too, except this time, put him in the car that has this on the bottom. Sorry about that. Closed. And then you should get something. Already been on this for like 6 minutes. It's already 12, I think. Let me check the clock again. Yeah, it's very close to 12. Anyway, take this. Then I'll show you another video after this. Let go. And push down on this so they all go down. Now let me show you the other video. Ooga booga booga. Get ready. Go! Whee! Ah! By the way, I'm just using a car set thing. Ah! And that should be the end of my video, and goodbye. Okay, now it's the end of my video. I forgot about something. If you wanted to make it spin back and forth like this, like a rocking boat, you could take one of, my camera messed up again, you could take one of these and just slide it right in. But first, you need to take it apart. Practically out of breath. If you mess something up, not my fault. Or you could just take it apart. I already closed it, so this should be right. Sorry about that. My video keeps messing up. Well, my knex do. You place it up here, because if I do that, then my thing keeps going off. Of course. Yeah, I think it would be easier to take the leg guy out. I knew that. So don't judge me. Yeah, this is as close as you're gonna get it. Unless you just make it diagonal. If you're wondering what that music is in the background, it's a movie that my sister Kelly is watching. Very dumb. Sorry about that. And then snap them down so they can move freely like a bird. Like I have to ask. And then they'll be a little bit harder to fold up, and just make it go till it clicks. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Then place these down. And again, if you want to make it spin, this may fall off from time to time. I already tried it. Anyway, here you go. Put the rod through it, and this is what you get. So don't want it picture perfect. And then, whee! That should be the end. Well, that's definitely the end of my video. So, for the last time, goodbye. Holy crap! What the heck is that? Ah! Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly on a baseball bat, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly on a baseball bat, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Shut the heck up! Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. Finally! Goodbye!